Hey y'all, Teeth and Tendrils here. Don't mind this beat that she's got going on, honey. I just finished a photo shoot and I'll be sharing those pictures with y'all really soon. What I wanted to get to today is a review of the super new Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil from Mielle Organics. Now, y'all know I was at the World Natural Hair Show in Atlanta last weekend, and they sold out of this. It was exclusively for the hair show, sold out. So Monique Rodriguez has been making posts about how she is literally in the kitchen whipping up some more, because y'all wiped her out, honey. Side note, she's so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, totally girl crushing on her. But anyway, since I know a lot of you weren't at the show and you weren't able to get your hands on this goodness, I just wanted to do a quick review and compare it to the Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil, which is on the market and in stores. So first off, let's talk about the price. I paid $8 for this 2-ounce bottle. And this mint almond oil usually retails for, I'd say maybe about $13, $14, so you do the math. Secondly, the main ingredients in this oil are peppermint and sweet almond oil. Whereas this one, as the name suggests, has rosemary as well as mint. It's also got biotin in it, which we know is super great for hair growth, as well as a chock full of other great oils like coconut, jojoba, eucalyptus, tea tree, lavender, evening primrose. It's got a ton of good stuff in here. The mint smell in this one is pretty strong. The rosemary scent in this one is pretty strong. And I don't necessarily mind rosemary, but it may be a turnoff to some, so I just wanted to put that out there too. This mint almond oil is lightweight oil. So I'll show you a little bit here. You can see this light comes out like water, not too thick. Whereas this one, the new one, and side note, I super love this little dropper bottle that it comes in. But as you can see, it's light, but the castor oil in it makes it a little thicker too. So I just put a little bit on my hands there and I'm just gonna rub it in my hair. They both got mint, but I definitely feel the tingle a little more with this new oil. So my final verdict is this. If you're looking for something lightweight, everyday, little fluff your hair before you go to work, I'd recommend this, the one that's already on the market. If you're looking for something with a little more oomph, a little more power, just something a little extra special, maybe like wash days, maybe at night, something like that, I would totally recommend this one. This one even says split-in care. So go figure. But yeah, I'm clearly a fan. I've got both of them on deck and I will be using both of them and I'll keep you posted on what I think. But I just wanted to drop a quick line. So I will see y'all next time. Which oil is right for you? Let me know below, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks y'all.